1986 Alfa Romeo Sprint started restoration. Expect to finish it sometime this year. Oh, it's 2012 by the way. Broken windscreen. Broke it when I tried taking it out. Bits of rust here and there, but not too bad. Quite accessible, nothing inside the car anyways. Original Speedline wheels. The best tool I found to remove the windscreen anyways, the rope. Got some Alfa wheels that I'm putting on there as well, so quite a bit of rust around the windscreen. Quite glad I actually got the windscreen frame out there. Bit of bit of rust, bit of a bodge up here anyways. Someone's done that. A very good job there. And cell's pretty clean, engine bay's pretty clean, and battery tray, just rust along there anyways. Along there. Cell's pretty clean. That's all good. This bit might need a bit of inside there anyways. Might need a bit of work. Cell's pretty clean. A little bit down there, but it's probably surface rusting. Along there. Maybe a bit of patch down there. It's quite nice along there. And just not too bad on this side. It's quite bad on the other side. It's a bit of grazing in there, but not too bad. This one needs a bit of work actually. This one needs a bit of work. As you can see. And the bottom here anyways. It's quite bad. But again, it's all accessible. It's not inside the car or somewhere inaccessible, so it's quite good. Just cut that out and just replace that. There's a bit of rust down there as well. A little spot like that. Yeah. At this stage, no work's been done so far to it. Well, not by myself anyway. Yeah, I thought I'd strip it all down and see how bad it is for rust. It's not looking too bad. It's not too bad down here either. This bit needs a bit of work. Just along there. And there. Actually, again, all these will sort of come out and well done in stages. Bit of rust in there. Boot strut doesn't work, so that's the bit of rust in there. Along there, that's quite bad, but again, accessible. And along there, which is also accessible, so shouldn't be too bad. And this bit here. And that's really all the rust on the car. Mechanically it's going quite well, except the gearbox seal that's leaking a bit of oil, and it's not too bad. So yeah,